be against your family, it will be about you.
You start this point, so you have to finish it, right? Okay. The previous level, we were talking over there about family, all these things.
I have a lot of things.
So guys, each one is going to talk about at least 4 minutes, 5 minutes, something like that. Yes, and it's going to be like open discussion. You are free to ask Yahya, and absolutely I'm free to ask him. Go ahead, Yahya, and please present your lecture.
Yes. At the beginning, we want to talk about the natural and the composition of the movie.
Yes.
It's consists of a mixture of I can say it's mixture of adventure and action, and some is science fiction.
Yes.
The story and the events of the movie is
Playing games, that's why he just like being familiar with the games, and he said that we have to complete all the missions to get back to the life.
Yes, he told him if you complete the mission, you will get back to the real life.
Exactly.
Well, the main idea of this game or this punishment.
What is the main idea for these things? Or the climate, we can say. The climate of this game.
I think the main idea is
Why? Or they get out from the series of the Fast Furious that's presented by Van Diesel.
Some movies, because they want like to have a lot of like versions, or they want to have money.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay. The main purpose to produce a movie is money.
Exactly. That's why sometimes.
And if you come just like to the family part, right?
No, but he's talking about family.
I know he's talking about the family. But okay, at the beginning, from the first part, they were talking about the family and how to protect the family and just family. Okay, do you think the family is the priority things in our life?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
You like even.
Do you want to talk about this thing?
Yeah. When you have any step in your life, like when you take any step, even like a small step, the first thing like you will come to your mind, my family, and after that the whole thing. Like even if you want like against your family, you will talk about family.
It's not about against.
Even your step to be against your family, it will be about you.
You start this point, so you have to finish it, right? Okay. The previous level, we were talking over there about family, all these things.
I have a lot of things.
So okay, don't forget that my memory is good, by the way.
My mind
I cannot forget anything.
A virus or something, and when they attack, she injects herself with this virus to protect the virus.
Yes.
At the end.
And at night he heard some voice, I think that in the Jumanji, I think in the Jumanji games, and he's opened it, he's playing, and immediately he's finished. His father and his country, he don't know where he go, and indeed in I don't know what the year, I think
in 2017.
To 2000 at class, yes, and the boss or the manager, he put at detention, and also Bethany and Martha. Bethany, I think she is watching.
You are talking about the exam and all these things. Okay, you are one of them, like in class. You're using your phone. Okay, I'm the principal of this class. Can I give you up?
But movies.
But you are just comparing to our life here.
I'll communicate with your friend Omar.
Yes, keep going. Yes, keep going.
And the teacher.
Listen, this. If you have just 3 lines, what are you gonna do about it? What is that feeling that you have?
Sorry. I have one and I am not. I don't know what to do.
Just like imagine. Just imagine. We have just like 3 lines. The first one, what are you gonna do?
I will be care about all the 3 lives.
Okay, so you're not going to die one of them? Why don't you just take some adventures and do something that you wanted right now, but maybe you are afraid to do it if you die. But when you have it, like, be a guarantee that
every one of these have his character in real life, and another in the game there's different. Like Spencer in real life, he's not a brave person.
Not brave, yes.
But enter the game,
we can say that he's a naive.
naive.
You know him, no?
What?
Naive because it's savage. You know, habit.
Like that. Because Fred all the time request for him to do
Exactly.
the homework.
He was insulting him
and,
also, scolding
yes,
him. Yes,
yes.
good.
He's the
Weakness.
Not a weakness, but he's what we can say.
Not
He is a
brave.
homely person.
yes, person.
Okay.
And serious person also.
That's also yes.
Yeah.
Serious person.
So his
There's also like a main purpose behind the whole movie. What does that mean? Okay, can you tell me what did you conclude from the whole movie, or the main climate audit? This word. And so just like we can relate it to the topic that the one was like about the family. Okay. Families mean what? Circle, right?
yes,
Each one like holding each other.
yes.
Okay, what about them?
They also I told you they
They have in the bazaar. They
You get it?
I forget.
Forget it. You don't want to answer.
If you answer.
Sorry? No, it's out. In the market.
bazaar.
Did you watch the whole movie?
Yeah, I watched it.
Are you sure?
In the middle.
I knew it. Oh, I knew it.